Welcome to the world of AI, a realm where machines rule and human decision-making takes a backseat. From your smartphones to your cars, healthcare to finance, AI is revolutionizing the way we live and interact with the world. Yet this cutting-edge technology is not without its dark side. As alluring as it may be, the world of artificial intelligence isn't as rosy and promising as it seems. So tread carefully as we venture into this world full of breakthroughs, potential, and yes, hidden pitfalls. Artificial intelligence, while revolutionary, carries with it a set of risks and challenges that could upend our world as we know it. Let's first take a look at the lack of transparency in AI systems. This opacity, often referred to as the black box problem, can lead to a significant trust deficit. AI systems make decisions based on complex algorithms which, to the average user, are as comprehensible as hieroglyphics. This lack of understanding can breed distrust and resistance, posing a significant barrier to the widespread adoption of AI technologies. Next up, let's delve into the potential for bias in AI. AI systems learn from the data they are fed. If that data reflects societal biases, the AI will inevitably perpetuate those biases, resulting in skewed and unfair outcomes. This can be particularly harmful in areas such as hiring, lending, and law enforcement, where fairness is paramount. Finally, we cannot overlook the concerns about data privacy and security. In an era where data is the new oil, AI systems, with their insatiable appetite for data, pose significant privacy risks. They can also be a prime target for cyber attacks, given the wealth of sensitive information they hold. The misuse of personal data or a security breach in an AI system could have devastating consequences. Moreover, the concentration of AI development in a few big tech companies exacerbates inequality, while job losses and economic disparities are potential fallout of AI-driven automation. Legal frameworks are struggling to keep pace with the rapid development of AI, and the advent of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, raises concerns about its alignment with human values. These issues might seem distant, but they are very real and could have profound impacts on our society. To mitigate these risks, it is paramount to invest in unbiased algorithms, diverse training data, robust data protection regulations, and secure AI development practices. We need to ensure ethical values are front and center in AI systems, and address security risks proactively. It's not just about creating smarter machines, but also about creating a safer and more equitable world. The ethical implications of AI are vast and complex, raising questions about the very nature of humanity and our place in the world. As we embrace this technology, we must also grapple with the necessity for ethical values to be deeply embedded into AI systems. These systems, after all, are not just tools, they are decision makers, and their decisions can have profound impacts on people's lives. It's a daunting task, but it's one we cannot shy away from. If we are to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, we must ensure that it reflects our highest ethical standards. But the ethical challenges of AI are not just about the decisions that these systems make. They're also about the broader societal impacts of this technology. One of these impacts is the potential for job losses due to AI-driven automation. As AI becomes more capable, more jobs could be automated, leading to a displacement of workers. This is not a small issue, it's a massive economic shift that could exacerbate existing inequalities and create new ones. The question then becomes, how do we navigate this shift? How do we ensure that the benefits of AI are broadly shared, rather than concentrated in the hands of a few? These are not easy questions, but they are ones we must confront head-on. And let's not forget about the potential for economic inequality. If left unchecked, AI could further widen the gap between the haves and the have-nots, leading to a deeply divided society. We need to be mindful of this as we develop and implement AI technologies. We need to ensure that everyone has a fair shot at reaping the benefits of this revolutionary technology. These are not just hypothetical scenarios, they are real possibilities that we need to prepare for. The ethical quandaries of AI are not something we can afford to ignore. They demand our attention, our consideration, and most importantly, our action. The law has always been a step behind technology, and with AI, the gap is widening. Indeed, the advent of artificial intelligence presents a unique conundrum for the legal world. As we steer into an era where machines can think, learn, and sometimes even outperform humans, our legal frameworks face the daunting task of evolving to accommodate these rapid changes. AI systems today are making decisions that were traditionally the realm of humans. They're determining who gets a loan, diagnosing diseases, and even driving cars. But when things go south, who's to blame? the AI, the developers, or the end users? The current legal system is ill-equipped to answer these questions, highlighting the urgent need for new regulations that specifically address AI. Moreover, the opacity of AI systems poses a significant challenge. The complex algorithms that power these systems often operate like a black box, making it difficult to understand how they arrive at certain decisions. This lack of transparency can lead to distrust and resistance, making it crucial for laws to mandate certain levels of explainability in AI systems. Data privacy and security are other pressing concerns. AI systems, by their nature, consume vast amounts of data, raising questions about consent, misuse, and protection. Thus, legal frameworks need to ensure robust data protection regulations are in place. Another major legal challenge is the concentration of AI development within a few entities. This can exacerbate inequality and create a power imbalance. Therefore, laws must aim to democratize AI development and prevent monopolies. But perhaps the most daunting challenge is the prospect of AI systems operating without human oversight. The development of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, which can perform any intellectual task that a human can, raises concerns about its alignment with human values. Laws must ensure that AI systems are developed and used responsibly, with human oversight at every step. So, the question becomes, how can we ensure that AI serves us, and not the other way around? The answer lies in a combination of robust legal frameworks, ethical guidelines, and a commitment from all stakeholders to make AI a tool for the benefit of humanity, not a threat to it. The development of artificial general intelligence raises concerns about its alignment with human values. This statement rings a bell, doesn't it? It's a call to arms, a beacon for all researchers, developers, and enthusiasts involved in the field of artificial intelligence. The alignment of AI with human values is not a luxury, it's a necessity. We're at a juncture where AI has permeated every facet of our lives, from the mundane to the extraordinary. But with this widespread adoption come risks and complexities that cannot be ignored. Transparency, or the lack thereof, in AI systems can lead to distrust and resistance. Biases in AI can perpetuate and exacerbate societal inequalities. Data privacy and security are at stake, and the legal frameworks are struggling to keep pace. The importance of safety research in AI cannot be overstated. It's not just about building systems that work, but about creating systems that work in the best interests of humanity. We need to invest in unbiased algorithms and cultivate diverse training data to ensure fair results. We need to develop robust data protection regulations and secure AI development practices to safeguard our privacy and security. Ethical guidelines are another cornerstone in this journey. They serve as a moral compass, guiding us in the right direction. They help us ensure that AI systems respect human dignity, freedom, democracy, equality, the rule of law, and respect for human rights. Transparency in artificial general intelligence development is also paramount. We need to understand how these systems make decisions, and we need to be able to explain these decisions to the people affected by them. Only then can we build trust in AI, and only then can AI truly serve us. The AI research community plays a critical role in this endeavor. It's up to us to lead the way, to set the standards, to push the boundaries, and to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. We need to collaborate, share our findings, and foster an inclusive AI development environment. The future of AI is in our hands. We have the power to shape it into a tool for progress or let it become a force of destruction. So let's rise to the occasion, let's take up this challenge, and let's work together to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity. Artificial intelligence, a double-edged sword, a Pandora's box, a tool for progress or a harbinger of dystopia. Today we've journeyed through the labyrinth of AI's potential risks and rewards. We've unmasked the hidden dangers lurking in the shadows of this technological marvel. From the ethical conundrums it presents to the legal challenges it provokes, we've seen how AI can be as much a threat as it is a tool. We've peered into the opacity of AI systems, revealing the potential for bias and the pressing concerns about data privacy and security. We've discovered how the concentration of AI development in a handful of entities could widen the chasm of inequality. And we've contemplated the profound implications of artificial general intelligence and its alignment, or misalignment, with human values. But remember, knowledge is power. Only through informed and open conversations can we demystify AI and harness its potential safely and ethically. The future of AI is in our hands, and it's up to us to guide its course. To stay informed and join the conversation, subscribe to our channel. Together, we can navigate the complex world of AI,